you just need to give us a missed call, given some basic details of your education, your age, gender, etc. And therefore it's open to all. The entire module on mobile that I spoke to you about is something which has all these three things as a part of it, and it's open to anyone who would like to ready themselves for a career ahead and needs these soft skills. So that's what, so it's therefore open to all. Post that, there is a subsequent more intense piece which will be taken forward by the exceptional few, and we will also attempt to get them interviews, for an interview for opportunities that they can go ahead with. No, there is no fee at all for this course. Everything is absolutely free. So all someone who's interested needs to do is really give us a missed call, and we will call them back with all the details. So there is no fee at all, no fee for the course as well. Any phone can be used. Feature phone, smartphone, any kind of phone can be used to access this. So you don't need a certain type of phone, to access this. And therefore, this is what really enables us to reach out to many more people, further down, and it's not restricted to a certain city. That will be based on how they perform in the first round of the course. Because everyone in the first round, because of the academic rigor that there is in the first round, will be getting a certification. And of course, the exceptional talent from there will be taken forward into the subsequent round. So it bases their performance and how much they have invested in terms of time and effort in the course. So we will be giving them opportunities to interviews. Yes, we will be giving them opportunities to interview so that they can, take this talent and really go forward with that. And those opportunities will be made available to these people. So the details of this are being worked out, but we have, a lot of this would depend on the education background that this person who is selected is coming from. How they have done. So accordingly, opportunities will be placed in front of them. So we do have, things which are work in progress, and we will be taking them forward for closure.